Just seen the key players involved in this case. Individuals at the highest level who are supposed to uphold the law. For months, I've been going through the appeals process with the Civil Service Commission, fighting for the right to present my case fully. Today, I'm sharing my notice of defense, submitted as part of this appeal, which exposes their role in the retaliatory actions, fraudulent documentation, and efforts to cover up illegal activities. The catalyst for my complaint began on June 7, 2022, when Minerva Gutierrez drafted documentation to have me sent home without pay. This action was in direct violation of the Peace Officers' Bill of Rights, specifically Section 3304, subsection B, which states no police officer can be sent home without pay prior to a thorough investigation and an administrative appeal. Gutierrez attempted to circumvent these protections, disregarding due process entirely. This document, based on Los Angeles Civil Service Rules 12.6 and 12.7, grants me the right to introduce evidence, cross-examine witnesses, and present all relevant information to my case. I use this opportunity to reveal the systematic retaliation I face for whistleblowing. In this notice of defense, I document how Human Resources Director Minerva Gutierrez and Special Investigator David Barraway were directly involved in retaliatory actions. On August 11th, 2022, I filed an EEO complaint against Gutierrez. Yet just 2 weeks later, Gutierrez directed Barraway to contact me regarding the complaint, even though she should not have been aware of it. This suggests that someone shared confidential information with her, creating a serious conflict of interest. Gutierrez's involvement advising Barraway shows just how flawed the process was. She was the subject of the complaint, yet she still managed to participate in directing the investigation. It was clear from the beginning that this was a sham. On August 25th, 2022, I reached out to David Barraway about my complaint. Instead of investigating, he ordered a psychological evaluation. I went through the evaluation and was cleared by LAPD Behavioral Science Services with Dr. Raymond Mars, concluding, "There's nothing here, nothing at all, not even close." But despite this clearance, Gutierrez and Chief Ramble dismissed Dr. Mars' findings without cause, deciding instead to seek additional opinions. They never consulted Dr. Mars directly, showing their clear intent to doctor shop and find a psychologist willing to support their retaliatory agenda. Despite the civil service rules protecting my rights to present a defense, the hearing officer, Sherry Ross, denied my notice of defense. She stated, appellant's notice of defense is denied as lacking in proof of the nexus to the charges for which he was discharged. This denial effectively blocked me from issuing subpoenas and calling key officials who could verify the fraudulent documents that would prove a felony violation of Penal Code 115 PC. This denial highlights the extent of corruption. The city attorney's office, Sherry Ross, and other hearing officials are complicit, working together to cover up the truth. Despite all these serious allegations, the city of Los Angeles hasn't denied any of it. They simply avoid addressing it. Now that they have denied my right to present a defense, I have withdrawn my case and am currently in the process of drafting a writ to the Los Angeles Superior Court to have these actions reviewed. Please like and subscribe to follow along. I will document all the events and updates on this channel.